I'm gonna show you guys how to take out a contact. But first, we gotta wash our hands. So when you take out the contacts, you wanna have the person look up or roll their eyes back to the back of their head, and then you wanna flick it out of the eyeball, and as it rolls, you wanna pinch it out. Look back. Ta-da! Okay, you can pause it now. So for the next step, you want to put the contact in the eye. And when you do it, you want to kind of roll it off your fingers into the eyeball, so that way it stays. And don't let them close. Okay.